Addie, you want to get your spine checked? Adeline. Come on. Go get checked. Take that. Big girl. Good, sweetheart. Lay up on your side like mommy does. Perfect. Sit right here. Good. The power's on. Go get him. Good job, sweetheart.
Whoa, look at that picture.